First you take the tubing, then you take the sleeve nut, slide it on there. You also want to make sure that when you do cut this, you want to cut it so that it's nice and round. Then you take the ferrule, slide that on there. Again, if you don't cut it nice and round or use a nice sharp tool, you'll struggle getting it on there. Slide it up there a ways. I'd say at least a good 1/2 inch. So when you do the install, what you do is you slide that tube as far as you can down into that manifold. You take your sleeve nut, you slide it down in there, and then you start to thread that in there. What that'll do is make sure that that tubing is slid all the way down into that manifold as far as it can be. And when you tighten this up fully, it'll crimp that ferrule onto the tube. To verify that that tube is sticking out beyond the ferrule appropriately, I'm going to just double check to make sure. So that is a proper crimp.